In this exercise, the instructions are find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statements. So question 1, 4 times x minus 5 equals 4x minus 5. So we have to first identify the error and then correct it. So 4 times x minus 5. So whenever we have any term outside the bracket, we have to multiply that term with all the terms inside the bracket. That is 4 multiplied with x, 4x, 4 multiplied with minus 5, minus 20. So the correct answer should be 4x minus 20, not minus 5. So instead of 4x minus 5, the correct answer should be 4x minus 20.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.